We are back once again for another case unboxing video, and today is 2026 singles case J. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video with the 2 per case. So the 2 cards per case is obviously one of the coolest releases of 2026. Is Race to Celebrate Lightning McQueen, one of my favourite releases of the year. I absolutely love this guy. Here is a look at the packaging if you haven't seen it already. And obviously this is all international card, so there'll only be one card on the back, as you can see here. Here is some information, and here is the barcode if you are interested. Another one that is 2 per case is Lightning McQueen with racing wheels, aka World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen. As you can see here, very nice on the 20th anniversary packaging. As I have said already in my previous case video, that all of these will now have 20th anniversary packaging from now on. And obviously just the one card on the back, which uses his launcher variant promo image. There is a look at the barcode. 2 are flash in the case, and yeah, I don't know what to say about this one. Obviously 20th anniversary packaging, so will be obviously new to packaging, but yeah, still peg warmed earlier on in the year, so I'd assume he will peg warm again in the year. But yeah, here he is, the Swedish racer in Cars 2. As you can see, there is the back, and there is the barcode. Surprisingly, there are 2 of Luigi and Guido in this case, which is crazy to think about, because these 2 always sell out, especially that Guido as well with the new expression. So yeah, I'm glad that there was 2 in this case, especially for collectors or just new collectors in general. Still using the original Thailand promo images from way back in 2006. There, yeah, there's a look at the barcodes. Yeah, those are all the ones with 2 per case. Now on to the ones with 1 per case. So yeah, Race to Celebrate Sally is in this case. A new release, I have already reviewed her on the channel. You guys could check out that video if you wish to do so, which was about a month ago now. You can see there the promo image on the back. If you wish to screenshot, feel free to do so. And obviously there is one made to a balloon. Obviously the balloon isn't even shown on the artwork, but yep, you can see there is the balloon. Cars 2 release, so very interesting. Again, I love that packaging. You can see the name there is on the side. Made to a balloon. There is the look at the barcode. There is one of Marlon Clutch's McKay in this case. I actually went to my local B&M and I saw 2 of this, so I was like, damn, they actually had 2 cases. But yep, there's a look at Marlon. And obviously Nigel Gisely's back as well, so this is a nice inclusion, especially on this card art. I love this one. A really, really cool one. Very light vehicle though. Feels like this is like almost an error because of how light he is, but it's not. Nigel Gisely there, and obviously on the back, Cars 2, and there is the barcode. Race to Celebrate Meta is also in this case, which is really, really nice to see. Obviously there is the look at the back, and there is a look at the barcode. Another one that is really cool to see in this case is the Clutch A Racing Tractor along with Noah Go-Check. Perfect combination. There is another perfect combo as well in this case, but yeah, I love the racing tractors, and so do Boy Mums. They always sell out, but yeah, really, really cool. Love the racing tractors. There's a look at the back and the barcode, and here is Noah Go-Check, the Clutch Aid Next Gen. As you can see, C plus A. Obviously there is a look at the expression. Very nice release on the 20th packaging. There's a look at that. And there is one of Real Rush in this case, so I'm really glad to see him back as well in this one with the updated eyes and the paint. Really do like his artwork, one of my favourite artworks. And you can see there is the look at the 20th anniversary Real Rush. You can see there. And obviously there is a look at the back of the packaging, seen in Cars 3. Here we have Ramon. I believe this is the one with the fingernail in his packaging. If you know what I mean, you've seen it before on the channel. No, this isn't this one. Completely forgot because I didn't have the international packaging before. So yeah, this is actually new to me. But yep, here is Ramon. He is available in a 2-pack with Flo. Here we have Doc here, or Dirt Track Fabulous Hudson Hornet. As you can see, very nice release. And of course there is one of him in the case. And there is the barcode. Another one that always sells out is Fabulous Lightning McQueen. really popular character, although he is inaccurate because they reverted back to his lighter shade of blue. The same with Danica Cruz. Yeah, there's a look at that guy. And the back, you can see there. Here we have Hot Rod Smokey, which they actually corrected this time for it to say Hot Rod Smokey. So this is going to be obviously exclusive. The previous card as a single is from Case B, I believe. Is also very rare to get hold of. So if you have this one in Case B where it says Heyday Smokey, then that one will become rare. And obviously the clip strip packaging from the UK is also going to be quite rare too by the end of the year. Yeah, there is a look at that, and obviously the perfect combination of Ray Weatherham and Jackson Storm, especially on 20th anniversary packaging. Looks incredibly cool. I love Ray Weatherham. We really need a release of Laura Spinwell. I mean, technically we do in that 11 pack, but you know, a single release of Laura with Jackson Storm maybe, or even just a single release of Laura with some accessories. That'd be nice. Ray Weatherham there on the back. There's the barcode, and here is a look at Jackson Storm as well. Really cool. Very nice stuff. And here is a look at Jimmy Lugwrench, as we can see here. The Thomasville Racer, the only one for this year, I believe. Yeah, really nice release. They did change the colour slightly. Now he is more white. And you can see there is a look at the bump image on the back. And obviously here we have Cars 3 Rusty's Lightning McQueen. There is one of him in the case as well. As you can see here, looks really cool. I do like this packaging. Again, another really cool one to keep on packaging. There's barcode. Oh, this one is actually a lot quicker to review than I thought. We're only about 8 minutes in. So I don't know what else to say. I'll probably see you guys in a few months' time for Case K, because that one is going to be a little bit harder to obtain. But if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of the new stuff. Hype up the video. Until then, peace everybody.